Yeah, hi all. In this third class, we are going to define calendar. Before that, I just would like to tell you what exactly the calendar is. A calendar specifies working days and holidays in the company. In real time, HR consultant is responsible to define the calendars. But for practice purpose, we have to define the calendars. So I'm just going to the path SPRO, SAP NetWeaver, general settings, then maintain calendar. This one. Here we can define public holidays and we can define holiday calendar and factory calendar. First of all, let me tell you what exactly the public holidays which we can define here. First of all, we have to click on this public holidays and we have to go through the change mode. And here I am going to create some holidays. For example, yeah, with fixed date. The day is 06 and the month is 06, and we have to give some short text. The company was established, so on 6th June we are going, means the company is going to give holiday to the employees. Establishment date. So I'm just going to save it. So here actually these are the predefined holidays. In the same way, if we want to create a new holiday also, we can create by clicking on this new one like we have created now. And here we can check our new holiday also. That is nothing but establishment day. So this is what the established day which we have created. Now let me create holiday calendar. Actually here these are all the holidays and we are going to create a calendar for the holidays. So let me create holiday calendar. Let me create a new one here. And as our company is M100, let me create the calendar ID with M1. Outcome holiday calendar. And the validity of this calendar is from 2021 to 2025. And I'm going to assign some holidays, public holidays. So here, let us assign Independence Day, Christmas Eve, and a Labor Day, and a Republic Day, New Year's Day, and Christmas Day. Like that, whatever the holidays which we would like to assign to the calendar, we can assign all of them. And Boxing Day, if we want, we can assign that. In the same way, we have created, right? That's nothing but establishment day. This one, established day. This is what we have created. So I'm going to, oh, sorry. Christmas Day, established day, Gandhi Jayanti, Independence Day, Labor Day, Christmas Day, Christmas Eve. Okay, these are the holidays which we would like to assign to our holiday calendar. So here we have to click on assign public holiday. So these are the public holidays which were assigned to our calendar M1. So we have to select all these public holidays and we have to click on save. Here public holiday calendar M1 was created. M1 was created and it was saved. So let us go to, yeah, and we can check the holiday calendar here. M1, right? This one, Alcom holiday calendar, which we have created now. And this symbol will be appear here if we use this factory calendar in what is this sales organization or in shipping point. So if we use the calendar anywhere, then we can see this check mark here. Then let us go to factory calendar. Let me create the factory calendar and I'm going to give the factory calendar ID as M1. I'm going to name it as Alchem factory calendar. And the validity of this calendar will be applicable from 2021 to 2025. And here in the Alchem factory calendar, we can assign some holidays, right? So for which we have already created one holiday calendar. It's nothing but M1. So I'm going to assign the M1 holiday calendar here, Alchem holiday calendar. And here we can check the working days. If Monday is working day, then we will check it. And if Saturday is also working day, then we will check this one also. And if public holiday is working day, then we will check this one. So like that, we have to check the work days here. Then I will save it. It will take some time to save this. Actually, being as an SD consultant, we need not to create the calendar, but for practice purpose, if we would like to use some calendars, then we should have to create, right? That's why only we are creating here. But this is normally the work of HCM, means HR consultants. Yeah, the factory calendar M1 has created now and it was saved. And if we want, we can give the factory calendar start date also. But it, as it is, what is this? Uh, as it is valid from 2021 up to 2025, it's valid now. So let me, yeah, we have created public holidays and we have assigned those public holidays to the holiday calendar, and we have assigned this holiday calendar to the factory calendar. Now we have to come to know what exact means where exactly we will use this factory calendars. We will assign the factory calendars in 3 organizational units, especially sales organization, plant, and shipping point. Let me assign the factory calendar. So here in enterprise structure, in definition, in sales and distribution, here we can define the sales organization. But here we are just going to add the factory calendar to the sales organization M100 and M200, which we have already created earlier. So let me go into M100, and here we can find sales organization, right? Sales organization calendar. So here we have to assign that. So I just have assigned it, and I just have saved it. Then I will go to the another sales organization M200. Here also I will assign the factory calendar, and I save it. Yeah, it was saved. Then we will assign the factory calendars in plant also, in the same way in shipping point also. Here we have 2 plants in our project. Those are nothing but Mumbai plant as well as Vapi plant. So let me go through this plant. Here in this plant we find factory calendar, right? So here we have to assign the calendar. So our calendar is M1 Alchem factory calendar, which we have assigned here. And let me save this one. And there is one more plant we have, that is M200, nothing but Vapi plant. And I have assigned the factory calendar to this plant also. Then we can assign, let me check once if they are assigned or not. Yeah, it was assigned to M100, and let me check to them. Yeah, it got assigned to M200 also. Then we can assign the calendars in shipping point. Actually in our project we have 2 shipping points. One is manual shipping point and the second one is automatic shipping point. So let me go through the manual shipping point. Here the factory calendar 01 got assigned, which was already assigned because as we have copied it from 1000, I think, right? So let me assign our factory calendar which we have created now. It's nothing but M1. So I have assigned it. In the same way, let us go to M200, or we just can click on this one to move to next shipping point. Factory calendar M. Yeah. So these are the organizational units where we will assign the factory calendar. And this is about the factory calendar.